Hey everyone, if you want to grow a local community group fast, here's a simple way and guide that actually works. Let's get started. First, your name matters. You need to create a clear and catchy group identity. Real Stories works because it's short, memorable, and creative. Make sure that your group name reflects your niche and your local vibe. And personally invite and tag local connections. You can invite your real friends first and tag local creators, shop, and events. Encourage a new members to invite at least one person too, and post about relatable and local content. And engage and reward. You can give shout outs, share member stories, or run small giveaways. People love feeling appreciated, especially in feeling growing communities. And that's your real story for today. Build your group with heart, highlight your locals, and stay consistent. And that's how you build a local community group that grow fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.